The term reproduction is made up from two words. First is re and second is production. Re means again and again. Production means produce. So, reproduction is a process in which new individual is produced from their parents, called as a reproduction. Reproduction is of two types: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, only one parent is involved, called as a asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, there are no gametes formation. In asexual reproduction, also there is no fertilization. We see a common example of asexual reproduction is sugarcane. We cut to the stem of sugarcane, we are inserted into the soil, then from the stem of sugarcane we get new sugarcane plant. This is called as a asexual reproduction. Now here we discuss second type of reproduction is sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, both the parents are involved, while in sexual reproduction there are fusions of gametes. Here we see what is meant by gamete. Gamete are nothing but the reproductive cells present in male and female body. These gametes are also called as a germ cell. There are two types of gametes, male gametes and female gametes. Male gametes called as sperms, female gametes called as eggs or ovum or oocytes. In sexual reproduction, gamete formations are occur, the process in which gametes are formed called as a gametogenesis. There are two types of gametogenesis occurs in male and female body. The process in which formation of sperms are occur in the male body called as a spermatogenesis, while the process in which formation of eggs or ovum or oocyte take place in the female body called as a oogenesis. Now here we have to teach two reproductive systems. There are two reproductive systems, male reproductive system and female reproductive systems. Both reproductive systems are divided into two parts. First is primary sex organs and second is secondary sex organs. Primary sex organs are the organs which are responsible for the formation of gametes. So, in male body, primary sex organs are testes, while in female body, primary sex organs are ovaries. Secondary sex organs. Secondary sex organs are responsible for the maturation or also the transfer of gametes. So, these secondary sex organs are different in male and female body. Now here we discussed male reproductive system. This male reproductive system is divided into two parts. First is primary sex organ and second is secondary sex organs. Primary sex organs in male body are testes. Testes are responsible for the formation of sperms. Secondary sex organs. These secondary sex organs are divided into two parts, accessory glands and accessory ducts. Secondary sex organs in male body are divided into two parts. First is accessory glands and second are accessory ducts. Accessory glands. There are three types of accessory glands in male body. First is seminal vesicles. These seminal vesicles are present in two numbers. Second is prostate gland. Prostate gland is single in number. Third accessory glands are copper glands. They are again 2 in number. Then here accessory ducts. There are 4 types of accessory ducts. First is epididymis. Epididymis also 2 in number. Then vas deferens, again these are 2 in number. Then ejaculatory duct 2 in number, and there is single urethra. This urethra present inside the penis.